Hello, students. Today, I'm going to show you how to request free access to Autodesk Flow Studio. First, navigate to the Flow Studio student page linked in the description below. Once there, click the Request Free Access button. Under Subscription Plans, select the Student option and verify you attend a post-secondary institution and are over 18. On this page, you'll need to create an Autodesk account if you don't have one already, and enter information to verify your eligibility. The most important pieces of information to ensure are accurate are your name as registered at your school, your correct school or institution name, and the email address associated with your school. Once you've completed the forms on the page, click Submit under the subscription summary. You may be required to upload a document or sign on with your school's single sign-on to confirm your eligibility. Follow the prompts to complete verification. You'll receive an email from Autodesk to let you know if we need more information and once you've been verified. This email will allow you to finish creating your Autodesk account if needed. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to the Products and Services page in your Autodesk account. This page shows you all the products you have free education access to. Search or navigate to Flow Studio, click Access, and you will be redirected to Autodesk Flow Studio. Flow Studio is cloud-based, so there's no software to download. And now you're in and can start experimenting with ideas to tell your story without barriers. Start a new project or access tutorials to help you get started. Follow us for more resources and leave a comment if you have any questions.